So the photo lessons we do currently are one-to-one lessons. An hour session. Basically, you pick the topic. So if you want to learn about aperture shutter speed ISO, we can do that, or we can talk about landscape photography, or that's your thing. So whatever your interest is, we can do that. And then we're also going to introduce photography workshops for groups of folk rather than just one-on-one.
What's the benefit of doing it as a workshop rather than one-to-one?
Again, it goes back to this whole thing of hanging out with other photographers.
Yeah.
You're learning off of each other as well, because again, in a workshop scenario, people are asking questions. And I find that when there's a group of people at a similar level, they're always happier to ask questions. It's like I said, it's hanging out with photographers, learning photography.
So introducing online as well?
Yes, we're going to be introducing online sessions, jump on a Zoom call for a session and just compare what everyone's been up to and seeing where we can improve. And again, hanging out, even if only virtually.